From $1 to $5,000. Today we are sharing our favorite RV items that we have purchased over the last 2 years. We're Bob and Hillary.
And we've learned a thing or two about traveling in a small space. So today we are sharing 10-ish things that make RV life, or at least have made RV life for us, a lot better. Starting with $1. All these things we have found at a Dollar General or Dollar Store. I don't remember what it's called. The first thing we use that makes RV life so much better is this little teeny mini strainer. The thing is with RV life, you need everything to be small and be able to, you know, fit in small places. So this has been a good one. Who doesn't need a good fly swatter, right? And make it pretty. These, you know, go without saying, you need things to wash with. So originally I had these hanging up nicely in the bathroom, but today our little hooks decided to fail us and they fell, so. And lastly, gloves. I got a pair, Bob has a pair. You know, when you're changing out the black water and the gray water and all of that, you don't necessarily want to get splashed on or touched. And so these tend to come in handy. And yeah, that's what we bought for our RV for about $1.
Our next item is a RV Digest. This stuff works great. We have tried lots of different products and found this one to be the best. It smells the best, it works the best, and overall, great price, super happy.
Somebody, I think that company sent that to us.
Yes, I believe this was a, not a gift?
They just sent it to us.
Yeah.
We're not sponsored. We don't need to sell it. It's linked in our Amazon cart, but yeah, I don't know.
They sent us a sample to try it out, and I've been very happy.
So what is it called?
RV Digest It.
All right, guys. Next thing. This was a me purchase. Bob did not even know I purchased these. How cute are these? These like are little lanterns. They turn on at night. It just adds to the aesthetic of the van, if you ask me. So these were, I believe, around $16 off of Amazon. They're just little mini lanterns. They look cute, and I think they're a must-have, if you ask me. Oh,
show the people what it looks like when you turn them on.
Oh yeah, and I should have said, if we don't have an ability to plug this in over here, so I usually just tuck this up here, and I use the battery. There's a little battery thing. Dun dun dun! How cute, how cute. Can you see them? I mean, obviously it's still light out, so you're not gonna get the full effect, but if it was dark, you'd get the full effect. It's cute. Who's with me with these little lanterns? Come on, leave it in the comments below. Yay or nay?
Everybody needs a good tire pressure sensor. This thing has become one of my favorite items. It is digital, it's accurate, and this thing is only $24. Sounds like a lot of money, but it sure beats having a flat tire or underinflating or overinflating your tire. Good digital tire pressure sensor is amazing.
Moving on to our newest coffee setup. If you've watched our channel, you know that we normally have a Nespresso that we plug in, it sits on our counter. We're trying to change it over to something that takes up a lot less space. And so I actually just got all of this off of Amazon and we're just trying it out, but it all compacts. And so that's pretty cool, right? These go on top of your coffee cup. There's two little holes right there. Normally we would just do coffee. We'd put our coffee in and then you would just, you know, pour the water in, but you'd have coffee in there, obviously. We're actually just about to make a cup of tea because it's the afternoon, guys, and neither one of us can have caffeine in the afternoon. This is a collapsible tea kettle, and I believe all of this, I think it was about $25, so not too bad. Oh, it's ready! Guys, literally this took maybe 3 minutes to boil. It's gonna fit in a nice little spot in the drawer and be perfect. So we'll keep you updated how it works with coffee.
On to one of my favorite things, the grill. This thing is absolutely amazing. I actually changed out the hose to take it from like a normal propane bottle to actually connect it direct to our van with a quick connect.
Oh.
So we basically have an unlimited supply of propane. Well, at least the same amount of propane that the van has. But this thing lights very quickly. It heats up quick and just works awesome.
You love it?
So a must have. And I've tried some other propane grills out. We had this like 2 little burner cheap one that we got from Walmart.
It.
I used it one time and literally was like, I hate this, and I threw it away. This is junk. It was terrible. So this thing
one
is awesome.
It's a Nexgrill, and I think you can get it for around $100.
Yeah, definitely. You know, prices of grills vary, but about $100 for this grill. Everybody needs a good chair. And this is what we started with. It's very comfortable, collapses nice and small. I don't know what's wrong with it.
No. This is a camping chair, guys. Come on. You know you need this. It's not as compact as our first chair, but who cares? I am willing to take up more space in order to have this. And let's be honest, Bob might have started with that chair and loved that chair and fought for that chair, but we now have 2 of these chairs. Somebody fell in love with the big comfy chair. I did get this on Amazon. Everything we're sharing that's from Amazon will be linked in the description below. This chair is around $109 on Amazon right now. So I don't think it's that bad. I think it's not too shabby. I think for what you get 2 cup holders. It's comfy, you can relax. Guys, if you're gonna do the small living space of a van, you need some comfy chairs outside of it, right?
The Ram ProMaster has basically a worthless rearview mirror. So we went ahead and upgraded to this WOLFBOX digital rearview mirror, and it is amazing. We installed an additional camera in the back, and it has a camera in the front with a memory card and a GPS locator. It has so many amazing features, and it is so awesome to be able to be driving down the road and actually see what's going on behind the van, rather than just basically looking at the bed, which is what I was doing before. I have an entire video showing the installation of this. It was pretty easy to do, took a couple of extra parts, but well worth it. And I definitely recommend that anybody who has a ProMaster, or really any van for that matter, get your hands on one of these. They are phenomenal. So this at $119, well worth the investment. So my latest gadget that I've installed in the van is this LevelMatePRO Plus. This thing is phenomenal. It runs off the 12-volt power in the van. It will tell you if you're level or not. You just have to zero it. But I've installed it underneath our 3rd seat. As you can see here, you can connect with your phone or your iWatch.
iWatch?
iWatch?
No.
Apple Watch. Same, right? You can connect with your phone or your watch. And this is really helpful that when you get to like your campsite, you can drive around a little bit, maybe look for a level spot, and it will give you real-time data. Or when you're trying to level yourself, you can actually kind of, drive up on it just part way or whatever you need to do in order to get level, and you can monitor it while you're driving. In the past, I've used just like a level on the countertop. It works, but I don't know, this is just newer, fancier, fun.
Okay, well, get out your phone and show them what our van looks like right now.
Yeah, see it's not real level right now. We need to spend some time getting her level.
Yeah, we really haven't leveled her yet.
It's actually him, not a her, but.
Mr.
So
Lemon.
what's cool, you just open up the app. As you can see, we need to bring up the front of the van about 6 to 7 inches. So we need to get out our leveling blocks and get this thing level. But real time, being able to just drive around.
Find a level spot.
Yeah.
So you think that versus just the regular old little leveling thing is a good investment? You just like that it's a new gadget, whatever.
Yes, I like the fact that it's a new gadget that will help me when we're trying to drive around like boondocking and finding a spot.
And sometimes at night it's hard. And so this is going to help us maybe not even have to use leveling blocks.
Right. If you can just kind of drive around a little bit, find a level spot, then you wouldn't even have to get your blocks out. You can just be level.
Yeah. So that's pretty much all you know about this so far.
Yeah. Clearly we need to keep driving around because we are not level. So our $5,000 item, and honestly, one of my favorite that we literally use every single day, is our luminous stuff on the back of the van. So we have the rack with the tire carrier, and we have this giant box. This allows us to store all of the like dirty things that we don't want inside the van out here, and it's nice and secure. And our ProMaster did not come with a spare tire, so this gives me a lot more peace of mind being able to take this thing off-road and do some boondocking, knowing that I have a full-size spare right here ready to go.
Whoa, somebody's a little messy.
Yeah, you know, never mind this, but I got a giant stack of leveling blocks, because you know, you can never have too many. We have our outdoor rug, all of our power cables. There's even some tools and a hatchet and some more rugs. I mean, just a bunch of dirty stuff that stores out here really nice. So I really like the Illuminous stuff for a couple of reasons. One is it attaches to the hinges and to the doors, like the latches itself. So you don't actually do any drilling through the body of the van. Super high quality welds, powder coated, looks really nice. Just something that we use all the time, gives us some additional storage, and really, really like it. They make, for every major van company that's out there, they make a setup for them.
Yeah.
They also have lots of other components like roof racks.
Lots of fun stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
Nope.
Just really like their high quality products.
This is $5,000. You definitely don't have to have it.
Right.
It's just something that has made our life a lot easier.
Yes. Yes, but it just, your cool factor just goes way up.
No,
at least I feel like my
Bob,
cool factor goes up.
You
with
have
this
to
on here.
stop worrying about your cool factor.
That's true. I do. But
Okay,
it's
fine.
really nice. But not a must-have.
Yeah.
But a super nice to have.
Yeah.
So that wraps up our favorite items from $1 to $5,000. And hopefully you've enjoyed the Superstition Mountains behind us today. Now we just need to go find the Lost Dutchman's gold, and then we'll get that storyteller.